Hi, today's lesson is going to focus on the 9 times tables. Let's start with our discovery picture. Our challenge is to examine each of the pictures A, B and C and puzzle out what 9 times table fact is represented. Let's focus on A to begin with. There are 4 groups. Each group has 9 squares. So we can say there are 4 groups of 9, and we write this as 4 times 9 is equal to 36. Using commutativity, we know that we can say 9 times 4 is equal to 36. B is representing a different multiplication fact. There is a row of 9 tens. Writing that as a multiplication equation, we write 9 times 10 is equal to 90, or it may also be written as 10 times 9 is equal to 90. Let's look at picture C. C shows a drafts board. You can notice there are 2 groups, and each group has 9 counters. You can see the multiplication sentences are 2 times 9 is equal to 18 and 9 times 2 is equal to 18. There are different methods to work out numbers in the 9 times tables. Today, we're going to look at some of the different methods you might find helpful. First of all, let me show you one way that we can use our hands to help. We start with 0 times 9. There are no hands there because there is nothing there. 0 times 9 is equal to 0. Next, 1 times 9. Notice where I've placed that table fact. Fingers to the left of the calculation will represent tens, and those to the right will represent ones. 1 times 9, there are no tens, but there are 9 ones. Let's follow the pattern. There's 1 10, and there are 8 ones. So 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9. How many tens will there be? And how many ones? 3 times 9 is 27. Have a think. Can you use this method to work out the rest of the 9 times tables up to 10 times 9? Try showing this method to someone else. It's a pretty cool, handy trick. Let me show you another way we can work out numbers on the 9 times table. Here we have a counting stick. We can skip count along the stick and down the stick. We already know some of the 9 times table facts really well. We know that 9 times 5 is of course equal to 45, and we know that 9 times 10 is equal to 90. How can we use these facts to help us work out 9 times 4? Well, if 9 times 5 is equal to 45, then we just need to skip back 9 to find out 9 times 4. Similarly, what times 9 is equal to 108? We know 9 times 10 is equal to 90. So if we skip count 2 more jumps of 9, we reach 108. So 12 times 9 is equal to 108. Let's examine this pattern and see if we can make a generalization. So we can say, if I multiply by 10 and then subtract one lot, I will find the number on the 9 times table. Let's look and see. 8 times 9. Well, if I multiply 8 by 10, that's equal to 80. And then if I subtract one lot, so 80 take away 8, it's equal to 72. 8 times 9 is equal to 72. Let's have a look at another one. 6 times 9. What will you do first? 6 times 10 is equal to 60. And then subtract one group. So 60 take away 6 is equal to 54. I just found 6 times 9 is equal to 54. How might we use this method to find out what 21 times 9 is? Have a go. We know that 21 times 10 is equal to 210. Well, now just take away one group. 210 take away 21 will leave you 189. 21 times 9 is equal to 189. We can use our generalization to work out that calculation. Here are the three methods we've focused on today. 3 hints or tips to help us recall numbers on the 9 times tables. I hope they help you, and good luck with your independent task today.